weeks, health officials in southern China have been waging war on mosquitoes, spraying, at times using drones to disperse insecticide to stop the spread of the mosquito-borne virus called chikungunya. The disease isn't rare in other parts of the world, including Mexico and Latin America, but it is unusual to have big outbreaks of the virus here in China. More than 10,000 cases in Guangdong province alone and counting.
Chikungunya virus is very closely resembling other mosquito-borne viruses like dengue clinically, but they belong to different families.
All it takes is one bite from a chikungunya-infected mosquito to develop symptoms like fever, joint pain, and fatigue. Some patients develop conjunctivitis and rashes. What's worse, symptoms can linger for weeks, months, or even longer. Experts say chikungunya is rarely fatal, but the pain can be debilitating. The rise in chikungunya infections isn't confined to China. Outbreaks are spreading across Asia and parts of Europe, too, mainly because people travel. So someone gets stung in one country, then hops on a plane with the virus in their bloodstream to wherever they're going and passes it to another mosquito, which stings another person, and so on.
That's the nature of the virus, that it is very transmissible from a mosquito to a human to a mosquito.
Chikungunya has been reported in nearly 200 countries, basically on every continent except Antarctica. The World Health Organization figures nearly 5.6 billion people live in areas where the sort of mosquito that transmits the virus can thrive.
The U.S. CDC issued a travel health notice for Guangdong because of chikungunya, though big outbreaks aren't expected in the U.S. because people in warmer areas tend to spend time indoors and use air conditioning. Still, authorities in southern China are going all out with measures reminiscent of COVID-19 restrictions here, like mosquito-proof isolation beds in clinics and an official order against having any standing water where mosquitoes can breed, including coffee machines and flower pots.
The southern Chinese states have been blessed by having a cold winter months. This helps to clear the mosquitoes. But whether they persist on thereafter really depends on the authorities eliminating every infected mosquito there is.
The bigger challenge is the impact of climate change, with rising temperatures and more severe wet weather creating new habitats for virus-carrying mosquitoes to thrive.
All these climate changes, remember, humans are not alone in this globe. We're living with animals, birds, various other species, as well as all these factors, including mosquitoes, ticks, and other factors. So we're just one part of the ecosystem.
For protection, experts recommend mosquito repellent and covering up, as well as postponing travel to areas with chikungunya outbreaks to avoid the risk of a sting that may prove dangerous. Janice Mackey-Freyer, NBC News, Chongqing, China.
We thank you for watching, and remember, stay updated on breaking news and top stories on the NBC News app or watch live on our YouTube channel.